Right, so it says the measure of FGH right here is 75. The measure of angle, this guy is 25. We need to find X. Okay. So it might look deceiving because this looks like it's drawn a longer line, but look, this line is the same as X plus 25. Even though these lines look smaller, that angle distance is equivalent. So it's just kind of coming further. Like I could have written X out here and it'd be the same value. So it's not that exact distance, it's this measure of this angle down here. So what are we really saying? We're really saying that 25 and X are the parts that when added up equals 75. So this is the same as saying 25 plus X equals 75. Therefore, to solve for X, we could subtract 25 from both sides, and we see that X equals 75 minus 25, which is 50. All right, same deal here. We need to find the angle of X. So again, X plus 80 equals 120. X plus 80 equals 120. So let's solve for X. We're going to subtract 80 from both sides with a good variable isolation, and X equals 120 minus 80, which is 40 degrees. Okay, now this is a little different. Now we're trying to find that total value. So what can we say here? Well, now we can say that these two parts add up to equal X. So in this case, they're saying that 25 is one part plus 35 is the other part equals the total, which is X. So now we just got an addition problem. What's 25 plus 35? It's 60. 60 equals X.